This is our 8R410 John Deere tractor. This tractor replaces the 8400R that we previously had. This tractor is equipped with 710 70R42 Firestone DT rear tires and 670 R30 front tires. They're also Firestone DTs. It is a high-speed transmission tractor, and when you order the high-speed transmission, you cannot get 710 70 R42 duals from the factory. Therefore, we actually purchased all the tires and wheels that you see on the tractor from NTS Tire from Minnesota. I wanted front duals for the tractor, so I talked to NTS. We had the front factory cast spacers, but the inners are a 12 bolt, or a large 12 bolt. They're a larger diameter than what you'll find on the smaller 8R series. Then the outer edge of the cast carrier is a 10 bolt pattern. NTS had a supplier that was able to custom make waffle centers for 30-inch rims for the front duals, so we could use the factory cast iron hardware. We had to go this route because John Deere does not offer a 630 tire option in duals. The largest I think you can go is a 480. NTS is not a sponsor of this, but if you are in the market for good tires, they got multiple brands. They'll take trade-ins. They'll even find you wheels, and they're extremely professional. Those wheels are like they're from John Deere. They're beautiful. Absolutely could not be happier with the quality, fit, and finish. The whole tractor is sitting on like John Deere rims. They're not from John Deere, but they're basically the same as if they were from John Deere, which John Deere vends their rims out anyway. So whatever you need, NTS will find it for you and get your tractor set up on the right tires. That 8R410 needed the front duals just for additional traction. It's very well balanced. It looks great. I think it'll work very well for us coming up. We did not lose any steering ability. It does not turn any harder. It does not turn any wider. We could still turn the exact same turning radius that we did previously with the tractor set in as close to 30-inch row spacing as possible. I'll have more videos on this tractor coming up. And if you like tractor rebuild projects, stay tuned because there's some really cool things coming on this channel. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button.